1956 Sage Green Thunderbird, a professional ground-up restoration. Three tops with this car consist of a white porthole top, a white replacement convertible top, and the sage green tonneau top. Color codes Z's Thunderbird Sage Green. This color was offered for only 3 months and appears on 1956 Thunderbirds only. No other 56 Ford automobile was offered with this sage green color. It's definitely a most unique Marquee color. I don't think Ford offered it on any other car ever after the sage green 56. This car was built January the 10th of 1956. Her odometer is 7,788 miles. She has the 312 225 horsepower 4-barrel Thunderbird Special V8, a Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission. She has the Concourse Correct 1956 wire wheel covers, the Ford Masterguide power steering, the Ford Swift Sure power brakes. She has Thunderbird AM-FM with dual speakers, allowing you to play your favorite music from your iPhone. She has the Ford engine dress-up option. Definitely one of the most sought-after money colors in 1956, and a high-quality 56 Ford Thunderbird. Number 658, 1956 Sage Green Thunderbird.